As the sun breaks over the canopy, a hidden world awakens. This is the intricate web of life.
Blind and barely hatched, the oriental cuckoo chick maneuvers beneath the host egg, driven by an instinct to survive, pushing it towards the rim.
Here in the forest, survival is a game of smoke and mirrors. This is the milk snake, harmless. Few creatures can vanish quite like the halibut. This incredible transformation allows it to blend.
The future of sustainable living is already here.
We're taking you inside the most innovative green projects around the globe.